What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. I want to tell you to say right now, yeah, I'm there with a different adventure phone, you know, people, because you know I say this is a night exclusive video, you know. And I tell about crab catching video, you know, crab catch and cook. You see, if you don't really want to see what I got, stay tuned. I just show you how I get prepared and stuff like that. I just basic thing I need. I just need a flashlight, piece of stick, a crackers bag, and a road. So you are going to stay tuned. Jamaica Wildlife. Yeah, man, people, so like me say, me and my son are going here. Don't know a thing coming in and say, my auntie I deal with the flashlight film there. Give me one little light and so on sitting. Yeah, man, see Boston well close up in there and dress up and ready. You see what I go on? I can't go see what I have still. Yeah, you don't know, excited and first adventure though. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're up on the road and we're on the way. So, alright guys, so right now we're up on the way. We're up on the way, gentle people. So guess and tell me how you know. You see that video here tonight? I'm not going to really be a big part tonight. Because you see my son's first adventure, I want to catch him for most I clip them and my stepfather. You get what I'm saying? I just feel like I want to be videographer for tonight and I want to make the video happen. So right now guys, see my stepfather there right yesterday. My son there in the background. He's already there. Impatiently I wait. Super excited right now. He can't even remain nonchalant. I swear to God guys. But it's a good thing because I am a spar. I know it's kind of risky for him first adventure as a night one. Some of you guys might disagree, but nevertheless he's under adult supervision. So I'm not there on him own. Me there, same with my stepfather there. Nothing can go wrong. And you don't know, we always pray to God same. You understand what I say guys? So stay tuned because I want to do that video. A different food I want to do and crab catch and cook as I repeat myself. But I want to cook it down with some coconut juice and some curry. You understand what I say? I want to deal with it different. You just stay tuned. If you're really excited, don't skip through the video. Watch every minute of it. And always remember to give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts. Drop your comments below. Like up the video. Share it everywhere. Love when I keep the channel active. You don't know me I say when I help me grow. I appreciate it and I love that guys. I swear to God. Sometimes I can't even explain the way I feel. So I say shout out to Shatta, shout out to Anika, shout out to Finest, shout out to the Royal General Robert, shout out to all I names them I can remember out of my head. Big up on yourself as my subscriber guys. I swear to God, yo, one love. Jamaica Wildlife there. Too much talking, make we get into it. Depend when we reach and I go see. Alright? Alright guys, so right now we have a little bit of difficulty. We want some engine oil for your car, so we have to stop on the way and go up the road and get my engine oil and then we're going up the road. Ryan, check your phone. Yeah man, right now we're reaching up people. Kinda hard to see cause at night. The lightness so bossy. Yeah man, but see we're there. Get me little bag and stuff. Dari, come take out the bag here. In that bag there, a white bag in it. Take out the white bag. Alright, that we are par with. Yeah man. Alright guys, stay tuned, alright? Alright. First one that. Nice she crab. Alright guys, so one dead crab here. I'm gonna go call my son and prank him and show him my see reaction. Dari, come here, see one, come catch you one. See him right there today.
I'm dead.
Eh?
I'm dead.
Sorry, I can't catch him. Alright, Pricky. No, Dari, relax yourself now. Yeah, man. Bag him up. Alright, one more up there. Dari, no. Ricky, come here, come catch a big one. Alright, Dari. Hold on, Dari. Listen what I say to you now. Look at Dari, relax now. See crab up there. Give me a bag of molly. I feel? You see crab, see him right there today. Alright?
Daddy. Don't panic. Don't panic, Daddy.
Watch out, you're afraid of that crab, you're making it there. Move. Go. Oh, hang on. Dari, don't make him bite it. Depend on your own with him. Yeah, you have to learn.
Hold it back, please.
Wow. Not even know if that video good. Take your time, Dari. Take your time. Holding 2 o'clock good. There you go. Take your time. Take your time.
Yes, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, you can open the
Take
back.
time. Oh, real cool, man.
Open the
Alright.
back around.
Come.
I want somebody else. Oh,
So one more there. See him the right I say there, you can't see him. Alright, hold the light. Stretch on your hand. Hold the light. No. See crab right I say there. You hold the light? Yeah. I'm going to catch him too. Hold the light.
Really?
You give me a light there. Alright guys, so even though I never want to catch none, and my son may carry a seat there, one nice she crab. Now I put him in a bag, keep moving, alright? Open my bag.
Yeah.
Only the mosquito there. Alright, Dari. You see one crab over there, so come on. You see key to catching crab, Dari? Especially in an area like this, you have to remain quiet at all times. Yeah? See me? I want a kind of small still. See me near here, put on the bag. Take your time, go round. You're up on your own with this one in the door, so if you can get to and get to. And go jump down there because the place is solid. Catch him there, catch him. Step on him, step on him. Step on him there. Step on him. Don't make him bite you.
Yes, Daddy.
Try to hold him running back now. While you hold him running back, watching clock here.
Yes,
Because you don't want him bite you.
you can open the bag.
No, take him up first. I got the bag covered for you. Make sure you're in control like crab first. You have him?
Yeah.
Alright, so take your foot off him and take him up. Pick him up off the ground then. Nice. Hold him up, let me see him. Turn around, sir. Turn around. Hold him up now. Yeah. Alright, son. Well done.
Yes, Daddy.
Up me bag now, yeah? Alright, so right now, guys, we just come back out of the crab bush. A few little videos, clips them get captured. So I go on there. So right now, change the spot. So we can catch 2 more before we go in. And then that's that, alright? Alright guys, new spot and I see one right aside. I call my son to come catch him. Dar, see me? You wanna see crab? Come around, come catch him now. Come here on your own, catch the crab.
One bag there.
How should I know where the bag is? Come on, hurry up. You have limited time. Don't make him bite you.
Make it quick.
Yes, sir. Do what you're doing now.
Yes, sir.
There you see him. Move faster, go around behind him. There, I might have to step on him for you know. If I go run, I have to go step on him for you. Yeah. Yeah, no, my foot. Hmm?
Come here, come here. Come on, Sean Paul.
Alright, remember? Hold on. No. This kind of difficult there. Let me get that one here. Let me get this one there. Let me get this one. Hold on to the light. Keep it on him. Watch out. Shine the light on the crab dory. Not bad. Alright, you couldn't catch one of the dory, so this one go up on my list, alright? Wow, nice she crab in him, big. Alright guys, so right now, night come down to an end. We actually I go back home now after a couple hours in the bush and things like that. So right now, I have to just call it a squid cause we come to one place and my crab have some JD for work at them. Yeah man, them properly trained. Stealth. Can't catch none of sun. The amount we have already, so most I we catch on camera with my son and stuff like that. I'm not really try to capture everything because show the lighting and that good and everything guys. So right now I go in and a morning catch up on the other side when time, you know, start out a thing and get the crab, them cook up and everything like that. You guys will definitely get a chance to see that, alright? So just stay tuned and I'll keep you guys posted, alright? Yeah man, see you in the morning. Guys, what is going on? Right now it's the next morning. Actually, most of the day gone already because me wake up later and one amount of things. So my stepfather already wash off the crab them. Some of the crab them pre-cook already. So right now it's just for me to pick up which part them there, get the show on the road. And right now I go up on the road, buy some coconut and some things that I go use for cook down the crab in a coconut juice, curry style. You understand what I say? But go and stay tuned, I'm showing a little clip of what already go on. And the crab them amount of crab will catch on one amount of things. Same way, like remember my detail me say I never get to catch everything on camera because the whole night lighting business and the footage was grainy and whole heap of stuff. So I just do a little bit what I can, but right now I'm showing you what I'm going, alright? Come in. Alright guys, so right now I'm up on the road. I walk for get the little season and the ingredients that I want for the whole thing. So as I can see, I'm a little son.
Yeah.
I don't know how they are out on the road. I go get the ingredients that I want for cook up the crab and one amount of things. So just go and stay tuned, alright? Yeah man, we're there. Yo, Miss Joyce not there? I go on coconut, on dry coconut. Yeah, me go on dry coconut skillet and thyme. Please, alright. Yeah man guys, you see it there? Real authentic kind of stuff. You don't know everything. Look at seasoned black. Yeah man. Thyme. Don't know. Nice coconut same way. Yeah man. Alright, respect your bossy. You see how it. Come in there. Alright guys, and we off back up on the lane. Alright guys, so right now I make one error. I buy the season, the coconut and the skillet and the thyme. Never buy a curry. So I stop in the supermarket right now and get the curry. Alright? Now, you know the curry them there? Alright, go on and see now. Son say no, she probably curry them there. Curry.
That jerk, that's jerk.
You have to read it. I don't think curry there is still in there, but anything you say.
Yes.
Trust you and see if I can find. You want curry there never? Oh, they're on there, sir? Alright, go on. Sorry. Alright guys, so finally I just find the spot. Yo, see curry there, man. Finally. Curry.
Oh yeah.
For that, I have to go buy a 2-pack and done.
How much it is?
No, sir, can't buy that big one. Put it back. See it, I'm a teacher. Take them up now. Alright, respect never. Let's see how it. Alright, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. So now we get everything we want. Touchdown back on our side now, yeah? Alright, so what is going on, guys? Welcome back, and right now we're there in the kitchen where we have to get the thing them up and ready when I'm turning on some light. Now see me better, yeah man. We get some things up already right now. We're going to season up our water and things like that. Showing a little preview, I season them where I use one amount of things. Same way, get everything on the road. No, don't know. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now, just the small ingredients where I use. And the thing is, what we do right now, we are prep them up. We have with scallion, with thyme and country pepper. Real hot country pepper for that style of crab that we are going to do. And yet again we are going to pre-cook the crab them because of the style that we are cook them. We now cook them hot, season and cut up. Yeah man, and the water we have to cook them in like cold water because we want the legs them to stay. Alright, so we just season up the water here now. Likewise, I explained the seasoning earlier already. Scallion, thyme, country pepper, salt. Because we still need the flavor to bring it up in the curry and things like that, alright? So right now while we do that, I'm going to get the coconut prepared. Alright guys, so after about 15 minutes or 20? Yeah man, after 15 minutes the crab them finally pre-cook right now. And that's what I say, so a time to get into the next part. Take them out and get into the next action. Watch it. Pea woman crab, you know. Sweet me like sweetie. Yeah guys, so you see it? Picking out the crab in process. So I'm just gonna show you guys just a little part of this. Yeah, because as you can see we have a lot of crab to deal with, so the crab them actually do shell and everything, you know. Yeah man, so from your curry burn and everything, are you ready? It's showing off for chewing now. Alright guys, so after we add in with the crab and the curry, chewing some coconut juice tonight now. Yeah man, so coconut juice instead of water, we use the coconut juice to cook it down and stuff like that. I remember I did pre-cook already, so it's just to get the curry cook and the coconut juice set and run the belly or nothing like that. And then while that I cook, the crab just take its time and go and
Alright guys, so right now the crab set on some things I'm not patient now with to see how it come out, what it go look like when time it finish and stuff like that. So basically I just keep that for right now guys. Just go and make it cook down, then we go set on some rice. Because I know there's some white rice and curry crab we are dealing.
Up your rice, you know. You can smell the flavor in it.
Curry.
What?
Anyway, your rice ready and the crab. Lift up your pot there for me now, Benji. Let me see what really are going.
Yeah guys, so right now, as you can see, we there share out the food and now. The man put some sauce on top of mine. I lie. God, Jaja. Wait, have me that? Alright, bossy. Yeah man, just look at that.
Alright guys, so dig right into it. Spicy. It's really spicy, but it's good. To be honest, spicy but good. But you know, as we as Jamaicans, we like our food spicy and stuff like that, guys. So that is that. As always guys, I want you to always share your thoughts about this video guys. Please drop your comments down below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so you do not miss an update when Jamaica Wildlife posts a video. To all my loyal subscribers out there already, please keep the good work up. Keep supporting our channel. Keep supporting Jamaica Wildlife. To all my new subscribers, shout out to you guys as well. And until next time guys, stay safe. Praying for all you guys. Pray for me likewise. We're here and we're out, alright? Jamaica Wildlife, always saying one love. Yeah man.
Alright guys, you see it there? Daria mash up him. Taste and tell me it tastes. How it tastes?
Good. Tastes good.
Alright.